what's up, y'all? Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a baking soda and apple cider vinegar rinse. I like to do this especially after I've worn a blowout, so when I wear my hair curly, my curls will be back popping. We're just going to be using a regular store-bought baking soda along with the apple cider vinegar. Shout out to my nail tech because the shit opens right up, boo-boo. Thank you. So yes, I'm just going to be putting a little bit in there, or just maybe a little bit more because I have a lot of hair. Basically, you want to fill the whole bottom of the cup, or you can use anything really to get it through your hair. But for me, I'm just going to use this red cup here.
Her beauty wrecked my brain. I couldn't say a thing. Remember that? She had her hair curled, glasses on, denim shirt, wrapped her arms around her waist.
Okay, we're gonna start off here. Gonna rinse everything out, all the product that I had in my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and start washing with my mint shampoo to get a really good clean scalp before I apply the vinegar.
Sitting Indian style, finally made that move. We sat and talked for a while about everything's changing. From music to our exes in Austin and Texas at South by. Watch a Chance the Rapper with a hipster girl. Watching James Blake with a hipster girl.
I know you guys were wondering when I was going to put the vinegar in the cup. I actually do it in the shower. I like to wait till it's bubbly to put it on my scalp. And I'm gonna put it all through my scalp from root to end.
Oh, chance to make the right impression. You match everything about me. Oh, girl, I want you to be about me. I'll take the time to learn your love, and I know we could be.
You really want to make sure that you rinse all of this out of your scalp before you put any conditioner on it. I'm going to make sure I rinse it all the way through, and I'm going to apply my Sea Dreams conditioner. It smells so good. It is the bomb. Gonna do like a handful there and rub it all the way through. Not to mention, but the conditioner is an exfoliating conditioner. It also has seaweed in it as well, so it just smells really, really good and works well too. After it's all rinsed out, you can just leave it to dry like that as is. Do a wash and go or twist out or braid out or whatever you want to do. But whatever you do, your curls are going to be popping. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe.
Where you came from? Just wanna know your name.